today is increasingly driven by technology that also changes at a fast pace, forcing more compulsive innovation. For Jamaica, this reality is taking flight with drone technology and digital data, and the government is making a bold commitment to international standards. In support of the transformation, the Bureau of Standards Jamaica, BSJ, launched 4 new national standards in May 2026. They are designed to transform industries, strengthen national security, modernize disaster response, and position the country as a regional leader in these emerging technologies.
Together, these standards establish a comprehensive, internationally aligned framework for the safe, secure, and effective use of unmanned aircraft systems, the generation, management, and application of high-quality geospatial data.
The 4 standards include 3 focused on unmanned aircraft systems, commonly known as drones, and 1 locally developed standard for geographic information metadata. Together, they create the framework for how drones are designed, operated, regulated, and integrated into Jamaica's national development agenda. The first standard, JIS ISO 21384-2, focuses on drone system components.
It sets requirements for quality and safety in the design and manufacture of key elements: aircraft, remote pilot stations, data links, payloads, and support equipment. In essence, it ensures that the very foundation of our drone technology is built on precision, reliability, and trust.
The second standard, JIS ISO 21384-3, addresses operational procedures. It defines how drones should safely operate within Jamaican airspace, reinforcing accountability and secure use. The third standard, JIS ISO 21384-4, standardizes vocabulary, ensuring regulators, operators, manufacturers, and investors all speak the same technical language.
It defines commonly used terms across science and technology, ensure clarity, consistency, and effective communication among regulators, operators, manufacturers, and all stakeholders. While this may seem simple, it is essential.
Jamaica also launched the JIS 361-2022, a locally developed standard for geographic information metadata. This standard governs how geographic and geospatial data is collected, described, stored, and shared.
Altogether, these standards represent more than just technical documents. They are a framework for growth, safety, and global alignment. And they position Jamaica to confidently embrace emerging technologies while safeguarding our airspace and our future.
The implications for Jamaica's economy could be enormous, as drone technology is already transforming many processes and industries.
They are supporting videography, they are supporting photography, logistics, and delivery. Drones are integrally involved in agriculture, infrastructure monitoring, environmental management, security operations, and, importantly, disaster preparedness and response.
By adopting internationally recognized standards, Jamaica creates the confidence investors and innovators need to expand operations. These standards reduce uncertainty, improve reliability, and create pathways for export-ready technologies and services.
Drones must be a part of our national strategic economic policy, and we in Jamaica must innovate our drone creation and execution in such a fashion that their use in agriculture, general commerce, and health will propel an increase in productivity, efficiency, and export of machines and profits. Productivity. So We export culture and talent. We must now produce new, smart, export drone and other technologies and tech services.
As drone use expands, standards become essential to ensuring Jamaica's airspace remains secure and properly regulated. Combined with standardized geospatial data systems, decision makers can respond faster and more effectively, improving performance, strengthening systems, and building resilience. Their success depends on adoption by businesses, public agencies, innovators, and the wider public. And the Bureau of Standards Jamaica stands ready to support implementation through training, certification, and technical guidance. With these advances, Jamaica's future is airborne, a future where Jamaican technology does not simply follow global trends, but helps shape them.